Good morning, everyone. I just showered, so don't mind my hair. I will style my hair when I get to work. On my way to work, I'm actually running a little bit late, to be honest with you guys. But yeah. Ooh, it's bright outside. It's really bright, really bright. Anyways, so today I'm actually filming the Chris Bossio's challenge of like a subscriber cut my hair. I actually have Alex coming in. He's been a subscriber for a while. He's actually in barber school, so I actually thought that was pretty cool because he will be able. Woo, it's cold as hell. Woo, damn, super cold. So he will be able to, like, you know, like kind of talk a little bit about, I guess, about like school and you know, he's a new barber, already working on a spa, but he just started cutting not too long ago. So I thought he would be perfect, like a perfect person for the video. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm very excited. So I finished my first client. I haven't styled my hair yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first, and then yeah, let me put the camera over here. That's how I've been doing my hair, and that's what the haircut I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get like a mid fade, I will say, with like the back is gonna be a drop fade, and the top, I kind of like the top the way it is right now, so I'm gonna probably leave it that way. So I'm done cutting, and now it's my time to get a haircut. We're gonna do the let a subscriber cut my hair challenge, and I'm waiting for Alex to get here. So I'm here with Alex. He's gonna be cutting my hair. He's been a subscriber for a while, and I'm gonna just introduce him to you guys.
What's up, guys? I'm Alex. Should I say where I work?
Yeah.
So I've been cutting for probably 3 months now in the shop. I'm still in school, and I work out of Sparta, New Jersey, at a Cut Above Barber Shop. And
So
I've been subscribed to his channel for like a couple years. Hair's always been something I was interested in, but I recently decided to do the thing. So
there you go. So I thought he was perfect for the challenge because of that. You know, he's a student, and he also just started cutting, but also he's a subscriber, so I think it works out. So we're gonna be doing a mid fade. We're gonna do a mid fade, and then the top, I like the top, so we're probably gonna keep the top. You're just gonna do the mid fade on the sides, and the back we're going to do a little bit lower because my head is like super flat. And that's it. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's funny because I don't usually get haircuts that often, so I've been looking for this haircut. And thank you, Chris, for the challenge. Right? Thank you. I still got to answer to 360 about the challenge, but yeah, that's coming soon as well.
I like these capes.
Yeah, those are good capes. Those are.
Is that one?
Chaz.
Is that too tight right there?
No, that's good.
That's good.
Those capes are from Stash Barbers here in Jersey too.
Okay.
Chaz. Yep.
There you go. So what do you want to do with the haircut?
So I'm thinking of we're gonna leave the top.
Okay.
The side's gonna be like a mid fade, but I don't skin it with a shaver because I get irritated.
Okay.
So I just do like the machine close, and then the back a little bit lower because my hair is like kind of flat. So
Okay.
I like to maintain some of that weight, and that's it.
All right.
That's all. I don't do a shape out, nothing. I keep it natural.
Keep it natural.
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
So let's start with the haircut. I'm sorry about my voice. I think I'm getting sick. It's cold as hell in Jersey. Anyways, the first thing he did was to create a first guideline that was using the machine with the lever closed. For some reason, we forgot to record that part. You know, it happens. How I said, like, Alex is new to all this, so I had to remind him to, like, you know, remember about the camera, remember about, like, you know, the angles, all that stuff. So first thing he did was create that, and now he's gonna go ahead and use number 4 to remove the bulk on the sides. I didn't want to cut the top. I'm letting the top grow a little bit, and probably I don't know what I'm gonna do with the top yet, so I'm just kind of letting it grow for now. So he grabbed number 4 with the lever closed, and removed that bulk, so he had like a nicer and cleaner canvas, I guess. So now he's going with the lever open, and then he's gonna go ahead and create a second guideline. There's gonna be, I would say, maybe like a finger width guide, I would say, something similar. And then he's gonna go ahead and create that all around. You can see he makes a very soft like guides. He doesn't make like, which is a good thing actually if you think about it. He makes really soft guidelines, so he doesn't make anything hard that's gonna be obviously harder on him to remove after. So I think that's pretty cool. So here he closed the lever a little bit, and I think he's removing that guideline right away, which is smart. I will say that for anybody that you're starting, kind of removing the first guideline first, it's gonna be definitely key. I think the hardest thing at the beginning is like you feel that you're gonna go too high on any fade. So what you do, you tend to like compress your fades a lot, and then you kind of see them as they're too dark, and then you try to light it up, and that's how you waste time, and that's how you take longer doing a haircut. So I guess that's just normal. So he made his guide like his guide is a little smaller, I would say, a little narrower, but definitely, I mean, he knows what he's doing, so it's good. You can see he moves the lever, he closes the lever little by little, uses a lot of corners. My hair is not easy to cut, to be honest with you. I have a lot of spaces and crazy growth patterns all over, so definitely not easy. So this, you know, obviously the first time that he's cutting my hair, so it's very interesting. So right now he's using a number 1 with the lever open, and just created like a third guideline on top of the half that he already erased. Then you can tell he's making his guides very tight. It's definitely gonna be a tight fade. I guess he was just a little bit afraid of maybe going a little bit too high. And how I said, this is something that happens a lot. It's just very common. I remember my first haircut, my first skin fade. It was a 4 on top and a mid fade on the sides, and probably took me a good like 3 hours because I was too afraid of taking the fade too high, and I was making my guides like super tight. So wow, that was bad. Anyways, here he's using number 3 with a lever open, then closed, to continue down fading. Now he's using a clipper over comb. He was telling me that he's been practicing a lot his clipper over comb. He finds this technique to be better for him, easier for him to kind of create that shape and continue blending. So that's great. This is a technique I use a lot. Like when I'm at the shop, when I'm not filming, I'm doing clipper over comb all day, every day. This is just the way I kind of like it. I can fade quicker like this. I can shape the haircut easier like that too. So that this is good. This is good, I guess. This is a good technique, and it's good that somebody that just started like it's using it already. I think like a lot of people are afraid of using this technique because they're afraid of making a hole, but not him. He's doing a good job. So here he's using number 2, lever open, and then he closes that lever. You can tell. I think that's just the way he does. He just starts always with lever open, and then he closes the lever, so kind of like a down fading technique. And then he uses a lot of corners, which is very impressed, because you know, like I didn't start using corners until like I was already cutting for a long time. So he's definitely been watching videos. He's been doing his homework, that's great. That's awesome. Here we're using number 1.5, same lever open, and then lever open, using a lot of corners. Pretty cool. He does have an understanding of what he's doing, which is great. And now he closed that lever. Alex is gonna be a beast. I definitely agree with that. Now he went back to a number 1, continued down fading, lever open, and he closed a little. I'm also like a horrible client. If you think about it, I'm looking down the whole time. Just horrible. Just continue down fading. Now he has his lever up, and then he put it back down. So he's just playing with the lever now. Now he's going back to the half or the 0. and end this and a half on wall. Then the same thing, use a lot of corners, lever open. Nice. And another thing that I didn't mention, he's actually using my tools. He's not using his own tools. So think about that. Think about how awkward it is when you go somewhere, different place, not at the spot you usually cut, and you're not even using your own machines. You're using somebody else's tools. So that's hard. That's not easy to do. So here's using thinning shears or blending shears, right? Just to soften the fade. This is a great technique. This is a technique that I started doing like after years of cutting. I have no idea about that. So you could tell, how I said before, he's been doing his homework. He's been watching videos. He's been doing homework. He's been paying attention to techniques. So that's awesome. Right here, he's just gonna shape up my beard. Well, whatever I have. I don't have much, but I got something there. He's just gonna start on the middle, and then he's just gonna work his way out. This Babyliss trimmers are serious. These things are crazy. I just got mine not too long ago, and wow, like I'm a huge Endis fan when it comes to trimmers, but wow, these things are really awesome. Like pretty much this is all I use nowadays. So if you guys haven't gotten your Babyliss trimmers, you need to get this trimmer. And if you guys are interested for me to do a review, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Definitely I will do that. Wow, this haircut is looking nice. I didn't do anything on the top of the beard, like on the cheek. I told him not to do anything there. I'm trying to let it grow a little bit. So he just did the neck, but wow. Haircut came out pretty nice, man. Like, gotta give it to him. Alex, man, you're watching this, you're a beast, bro. You're gonna be amazing. Just keep on doing what you're doing.
So we are done. How was it?
I was definitely, I feel like even though like no one's here, I was a little more nervous than I normally probably would be. But it was a cool experience for sure, yeah.
How was it like recording your haircut? 'Cause this is the first time you record a haircut, right?
Yeah, so having to stop what I'm doing and then
look at the camera. There's the camera there.
Press buttons and try and do that and then come back to it.
Yeah.
It definitely makes it a longer process too.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I think you did a great job. Look at that. Look fresh.
Thanks, bro.
Look at that. Awesome, bro.
Appreciate it, man. I appreciate the opportunity, man.
No, of course. Don't forget to follow him. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here and also in the description. You guys can follow him. He's an upcoming barber, but he's gonna be a beast, man. He's gonna be a beast. So
I appreciate that, bro.
So follow him, and then now I'm gonna clean and go home because I'm tired. Look at those eyes. So Alex left already. I think he did great, guys. I think he's been cutting for 3 months at a barbershop and he's still in barber school. That's the reason why I picked him out of all the messages that people sent me. And honestly, I think he did a great job. Like, it's crazy to see the amount of talent there is now in this industry, because you have kids that are starting and they have all the tools they need to succeed. And they're taking it, somebody like him, he's taking the advice. We had a really great conversation. We talked about many things and he took that advice, and I know he's gonna do really well. So, and that's what it's about, people like me, like Chris Bossio, like other YouTubers, like we put tutorials to help the industry grow and to help new barbers learn the things that we didn't learn when I started. Everything that I do now, I cut completely different than the way that I learned, because I didn't have any of the information that I needed at the time, right? So the people that you're starting, like Alex, for example, like he has all the tools, he has all the information, everything is out there already for him to succeed. So he's gonna learn quicker than most people. Like for me, for example, like the haircut that he gave me a fresh haircut. Dude, I could not do this in the first year or two that I started cutting. He's been cutting 3 months and he's already be able to do this. Imagine where he's gonna be in a couple of years. So yeah, so that was a challenge. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let Chris know that the challenge is up. Don't forget to let him know. Take care, guys.